Welcome back to Motor Mania. The 2026 Volkswagen SUV is a bold new step in the evolution of modern driving, offering a unique combination of style, technology, and performance. This SUV is designed not just to meet expectations, but to exceed them in every possible way. With its sharp exterior lines, signature LED lighting, and a powerful presence on the road, the 2026 Volkswagen SUV captures attention wherever it goes. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of strength, luxury, and modern engineering. Under the hood, the 2026 Volkswagen SUV brings impressive power, whether it's the turbocharged petrol engine or the efficient hybrid option. The smooth 7-speed DSG automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, giving you a driving experience that feels both powerful and refined. Whether you're on a city road, cruising on the highway, or exploring off-road terrain, this SUV adapts easily with its intelligent all-wheel drive system. Volkswagen has ensured this SUV doesn't just look tough, it performs with confidence in every condition. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that's spacious, quiet, and packed with technology. The premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale environment. The large digital driver display and touchscreen infotainment system support the latest features including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system. Volkswagen has prioritized driver and passenger comfort, with ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and multiple USB-C charging ports ensuring everyone enjoys the ride. Safety remains one of Volkswagen's highest priorities, and the 2026 SUV reflects that commitment. It includes an advanced suite of safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Parking is easier than ever with the 360-degree camera system and self-parking assist. Whether you're driving through busy urban streets or wide-open highways, you can feel protected knowing Volkswagen has your back. Fuel efficiency is another area where this SUV shines. With hybrid options available, you get the benefit of lower emissions and better fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The start-stop system, regenerative braking, and eco-driving modes all work together to save fuel and reduce your environmental footprint. For those looking for a future-ready ride, the plug-in hybrid variant adds even more flexibility with electric-only range perfect for short commutes. Volkswagen has also paid close attention to connectivity. With the MyVW app, you can monitor your vehicle's health, track fuel economy, schedule maintenance, and even precondition the interior on cold mornings. Over-the-air software updates ensure that your SUV stays up to date with the latest features and security patches, adding extra convenience and peace of mind. Storage is another area where the 2026 SUV excels. With ample cargo space, a split folding rear seat, and smart compartments throughout the cabin, it's designed to handle your daily errands, weekend adventures, and everything in between. Whether it's groceries, luggage, or sports equipment, you'll find the space you need without compromising on passenger comfort. Driving the 2026 Volkswagen SUV is about more than just reaching your destination, it's about enjoying every mile along the way. The refined suspension system offers a smooth ride, even on rough surfaces, while sound insulation keeps road and wind noise to a minimum. The steering is responsive, and the overall driving dynamics give a sense of control and stability, making it enjoyable for both city driving and long road trips. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen SUV offers the complete package. For those seeking performance, luxury, and innovation in one vehicle, it's a smart choice for families, professionals, and anyone who values German engineering paired with modern-day practicality. This SUV proudly carries forward the Volkswagen legacy, while pushing boundaries to define the future of mobility.